Hi guys, hi my loves, hi boo boo. Welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can style your Marley twist. Natural steps. So I needed a protective hairstyle and I also wanted something unique. So I had to do this. It's actually a box braid. Yeah. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So this is actually style one. Yeah, you can style your Marley twist like this. Also very unique, very cutesy. Yeah. So for style 2, got a black cat charm and a heart turned blue. Sorry, I look this way, look at the mirror. The mirror is you. Oh my god. I'm gonna make you good. Lead me by my hand. Then the crowd gon' cry for the midnight rain. But you know I'm torn. Everybody knows I'm torn. Yeah, you know I'm a midnight man. So this is style 2. Everybody knows also go like this. I'm torn. Yeah, and you can also wrap. You can also do the wrap. Alright, baby. That's how it is. Yeah, you can also do this. This is also very cute, very nice, and you can decide that you want to attach scarf. You can also attach a cute. This can go for style 3. Okay? Style 4, I don't know. So this is also cute. Makes you look like a baby girl. Fortune lady told so the next style is this. Before I saw the sun. Oops. Said your boy's gonna love too hard and break. My battery is low, 20%. You gonna make sweet women laugh and cry in a whole wide world. Gonna ask him why. This is the next style. But you know I'm torn. Everybody knows I'm torn. You divide the air into half. I'm a midnight man. Everybody knows there should be something remaining. I'm torn. Oh. Honestly, guys, my hair is getting to 2 weeks now, so it's already old. Got a letter from my baby saying I'm done with you.
but you know I'm torn. Everybody knows I'm torn. Yeah, you know I'm a midnight man. Everybody knows I'm torn.
So this is the next round.
All right, baby. That's how it is.
Very cute. Scarf. You can choose to use scarf or is it bandana?
Oh,
I don't know
baby.
the
Midnight man. Yeah. Driving down the highway, doing 95 alone. Trying to reach you, call you, but you won't come to the phone. Remember me, said you'd be my heart's home. Guess you were biding your turn to go. Oh, I really should've known. We were dynamite till we hit a red light. Then I see the signs. Oh, after all that time, this is it for us. You don't wanna try. God, your love was real, but it's down for us. Now you can't decide. After all this time, this is it for us. Change your energy, yeah, you switch things up. Now you seem brand new to me. But was that even for? Was you playing your games? Was you really bored? No. Oh, I really should've known. We were dynamite till we hit a red light. Did I see the signs? Oh, after all that time, this
And
is
just
it
to bring
for
out the
us.
chorus.
You don't wanna try. Thought your love was real, but it's down for us. No, you can't decide. After all this time, this is it for us.
You can choose to leave it like this.
After all this time, this is it for us. After all this time, this is it for us.
Still very cute.
Oh, I really should've known. We were dynamite till we hit a red light.
Guys, I'm rushing.
I've
only left 3%.
You don't wanna try. God, your love was real, but it's down for us. Now you can't decide. After all this time, this is it for us. Driving down the highway, doing inside.